Hello everyone. Michelle Baker here. Tonight, I want to talk about transaction fees and how they can be used to trick you. There are several common situations exists when transaction fees plays a big role in your transaction success. First of all, I want to divide your personal transactions by speed of delivery. If it is an urgent transaction, to or from the exchange, for example, then you must choose fee higher than you usually use, even higher than recommended in your wallet. Because sometimes your wallet showing wrong info, and that could be the reason of delivery delay. In the case of urgent transaction, choose higher than usual transaction fee. It is also recommended to check actual transaction fees on different resources, because the price can change spontaneously according to the current blockchain state. In the case of regular transaction, when delivery time is not important, like when you send your funds to your other wallet, you can use a recommended fee or even lower it. In most cases, those transactions will be mined sooner or later. Let's now talk about how can you be scammed by transaction fee manipulation. Sometimes you need to make person-to-person deal. In such cases, you need to know how many transaction confirmations needed to be done in particular blockchain to consider transaction absolutely irreversible. In Bitcoin blockchain, it is 6 or more confirmations. Scammers usually use a low transaction fee to trick you. They can use a replace by fee option to scam you by showing you a made but not yet confirmed transaction and motivate you to send your money to them. After that, they use RBF, a method that allows replacing an already transmitted transaction by transmitting another transaction with a higher fee. Old transaction in the Bitcoin mempool, which is not yet confirmed by miners due to low transaction fees, can be transmitted to other wallet after someone showed you an evidence of payment from his side. Be careful. Do not let them trick you. That's it for today. Thanks for watching and stay healthy.
Cryptoholicacademy.com